Hello, friends! Today we're going to explain the first lesson in the second term, types of levers. Before we say the types, we have to understand what's meant by levers. So let me ask you a question. If you have a piece of cloth like this, can you cut this piece just with your hand? Of course it's difficult. What can you use to cut this piece? A scissor. If you use the scissor, it will be very easy now to cut this piece of cloth. Good. Let me ask you another question. Oh, this is knot. Can you cut this knot with your hand? Just your hand? It's very hard. You cannot open it with your hand. So what can you use then? The Nutcracker. It helps you to open it more easy. So this Nutcracker and this scissor that helps you to do things more easy is called lever. Now I can tell you that levers are any machine helps you to perform, which means to do, tasks or your work more easy. So again, levers are machines helps us to perform tasks more easily. Let's see like what? Like bottle opener that helps us to open the bottle. With my hand, of course it's difficult. Like the stapler, like scissor to cut things. Like the crowbar, like if you left your key inside the home, how can you open the door now? You don't have enough force, but the crowbar helps you to open it more easy. Wheelbarrow to carry heavy things, seesaw, all of them are a kind of lever. Why? Because all of them help me to do my task more easy. Let's see. In this lesson, we have 3 points to study. Importance of levers, structure of levers, and the types of levers. Why am I studying levers? Are they important? Of course, yes. Number 1, they increase the force. How is that? Look here. This knot is very hard. My hand is not enough. If I'm using just my hand to open it, it is not enough. I don't have enough force to open the knot. But this Nutcracker, it let me have more force so that I can open the knot. So again, this lever, this Nutcracker, increase my force, let me have more force so that I can open this knot. Also here, in the door is very hard. I cannot open it with my hand or even with my body. So this crowbar let me have more force, like it's increasing my force. Now I can open the door more easy. Number 2, increasing the speed, like the hockey bat. If I throw this ball with just my hand, it will move, but not too much. But if I moved it with this tool, with this lever, this is what the man is holding here. Now the ball is going to move very fast. So the lever helped me now to increase the speed. Number 3, increase the distance. How that? Like the broom. I'm stopping here, just here, but I can move all the trash around me. How that? By using the broom. So the broom here is a lever, help me to increase the distance. I can sweep a lot of this. So again, number 3, increase the distance. Number 4, moving force, like this trash. After we collect it or after we sweep it by using the broom, now we collect this garbage by using the broom again. So the broom here is like it's moving this force, moving this garbage. Number 5, accuracy in performance, which means be careful when we treat with something very small like this electric circuit. We can see this electric circuit in the mobile, in the toys, in many of the devices, especially electric devices. If we opened it, we will find a piece like it. And it has many small objects like this black object, like this silver object. So we cannot trade with it. We cannot fix it with just our hand, because with our hand we may destroy it. Our hand is so large. So we need something to work more accurate, more careful. What help us? Tweezers. So tweezers is a kind of lever that help us to make our work more accurate. Again, number 5, accuracy in performance. Number 6, avoid dangers. Oh, this woman's trying to put a wood in the fire. So is it easy to put the wood with your hand? Of course not. You will get hurt. So what can you use? This holder. So the holder now keeps you safe. It keeps you away from the danger of fire. So number 6 again, levers let me avoid dangers. Now we said all the importance of lever. Let's say them again. Can you say them with me? Increasing the force, like Nutcracker. Increasing the speed, like hockey pad. Increasing the distance, like the broom. Moving force, like garbage. Number 5, accuracy in performance, like tweezers. Number 6, avoid dangers, like coal holder. This is all the importance of lever. Second point we have here is the structure of lever. Actually, any lever must be composed of 3 main parts. The first part is the part which is working on the object. What I'm cutting here? Paper. So this piece that's cutting the paper is called resistance force. Again, this piece of the scissor, this metal piece, is called resistance force. Second, where is my hand? Where is the force that I'm doing? Here. So where is my hand? This piece is called effort force. Effort force. Number 3, the point around which all of this lever is rotating or is moving. I mean this black point, the fulcrum, because when we use this scissor, it's moving around this point. So this point, this fixed point, is called fulcrum. Again, any lever must contain resistance, force, effort, force, fulcrum. So again, finally, we can say what's meant by lever. Lever is a rigid bar, which means a hard bar, like this blue bar. It's a hard bar, a rigid bar. Rotates, of course it rotates. Look, it's going up and down. Rotates around a fixed point. This is the fulcrum. The fixed point is fulcrum. Look, is fulcrum moving? No. So fulcrum is a fixed point. Takes letter O. And affected by, affected. The one who affected, I mean the person. I mean who is doing this force. So he is called effort force. Takes letter F. And finally, resistance force. This is what I'm working on, which means like this piece of iron. This is what I am moving. So this piece of the rigid bar is called resistance force. Let me give you 3 definitions now for each part of them. Effort force, the force exerted by a person or done or made. Choose any word you want, but at the end they must have the same meaning. This is the force that's acted by a person. So here, this is the effort force because here the person is doing it. Resistance force, the force that resulted from the weight of the moved body. It comes from the moved body. What I'm working on, this is what I'm working on. So this piece of the lever is my resistance force. Finally, fulcrum, a fixed point. As I told you, it is not moving, but on this part or on this point, the bar rotates around. This is all the definitions we have. Let's see some examples together. Okay, first let's take the scissor. How I can use the scissor? I will push this piece. I will press here so I can cut things. Because I cut from here, this blue part of the scissor is called effort force because this is what I'm doing. So here, where is my hand? This is the effort force. What I'm cutting is where? Here. So this piece, this metal piece is called resistance force. Okay, what I'm working on? Where is the object that I'm working on? Here. So this metal piece of the scissor is going to cut for me what I want to cut. That's why these metal pieces are my resistance force. Finally, where is the fulcrum? This point in the mid, because it's a fixed point. It's the fixed point around which my lever is rotating. Okay, let's see another example. Here, if I want to remove this rock, I have to push here. I have to push here. So here's called what? Effort force, because this is what I'm doing. And here the part and the piece here where this rock will be left. So this piece of the bar is called what? Resistance force. Where is the fulcrum? Here, because it is a fixed point that's not moving. Just as the lever rotates around like this. It is not moving, but my lever is rotating around. Okay, and so on. Let's back again. So I can say now that we finished the structure of lever, which are resistance force, effort force, and fulcrum. Number 2, importance of lever, and we have here 6 importance. Number 3, types of levers. We have 3 types of lever. You will help me to know this type by answering this question. Look at this picture and tell me, where is the effort force? You have to see where is my hand. So my hand is here, which means this is the effort force. Next letter F. This piece is the effort force. Where is the resistance force? What I'm working on? This. So this is the resistance force. Where is the fulcrum? Where is the fixed point? Here. So this is my fulcrum. Oh. Actually, this is the first class lever. Let's read the definition. They are levers where fulcrum is between, which means the fulcrum now is in the mid distance between effort force and resistance force. Again, in the first class lever, you will find that fulcrum is between resistance and effort force. Another one. Where is the effort force here in the wheelbarrow? Where is my hand? Here. So this is effort force. Where is the resistance force? Where is the object that I'm working on? Here. So this is resistance force. Where is the fulcrum? The fixed point that's not moving, but I am moving around it. This piece, because I can move this wheelbarrow up and down, and this part is not moving with me. So this is my fulcrum. Look, what in between now? Is it fulcrum? No, it's resistance force. So this is the second class lever. Let's read the definition. They are levers where the resistance force is between the effort and the fulcrum. So again, the first class lever, fulcrum is between. Second class lever, resistance is between. Third class lever, let's see. Where is the effort force? Where is the part that I am pressing on? Press on. This part or this part? Of course, this part. If you try to use tweezers, you will find yourself pressing here, not here. So this is my effort force. Where is the resistance force? Where is the object that I am working on? Down here. Here I'm holding anything. So this is my resistance force. Finally, where is the fulcrum? The point that's not moving. Here. So this is my fulcrum. Now you can tell me what's in between? Effort force. This is a third class lever. The levers where effort force is between resistance and fulcrum. This is all the types of levers. First class lever, fulcrum is between. Second class lever, resistance is between. Third class lever, effort is between. That's everything. Let's see some examples. Okay. In this picture, what is the type of this lever? First class or second or third? What's in between here? Resistance force. So in which class the resistance is in between? Second class lever. So this is from the second class lever. Another example here. Which class is this? Effort is between. So third class lever. Good. Another one. What is the class of this lever? Fulcrum. So, first class lever. Very well. So again, if the fulcrum is between, it's first. If the resistance is second, if effort, it is third. Let's see another example. Which class is this? Scissor. Tell me first, where is resistance, where is effort, and where is fulcrum? Then we can define the class of this lever. Where is my hand? So it's effort. Where is the object that I'm working on? So it's resistance. Where is the fixed point? So it's fulcrum. What's in between now? Fulcrum, which means this is from which class of lever? First class lever. So good. Now I can tell you that we finished all of the lesson, the structure, importance, and types of lever. See you next video in another lesson. Bye bye.